Hello viewers, welcome to Alms-Sl. For today's edition, we're tweeting about Introduction to Lab Medicine. In this edition, we'll be talking about what is lab medicine, the role of a lab scientist, the different career pathways in lab medicine, and so on. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our TV. Lab medicine, also known as clinical laboratory science or medical laboratory science, is a branch of medicine that involves the analysis of biological specimens to aid in the diagnosis, monitoring, and treatment of diseases. A person who specializes in laboratory medicine, particularly in the analysis of medical specimens and the performance of diagnostic tests, is typically referred to as a clinical laboratory scientist or medical laboratory scientist or medical technologist or a laboratory technician. However, medical laboratory technicians and medical laboratory scientific officers or scientists differ primarily in their education, responsibility, and scope of practice. Medical laboratory technicians typically has diploma in laboratory medicine, their education focusing on performing routine laboratory procedures and basic testing, whilst medical laboratory scientists usually have bachelor's degree or higher in laboratory medicine. Their education include more in-depth scientific knowledge and advanced laboratory techniques. The role of a lab scientist are many. These include performing laboratory tests and analysis. They also help in analyzing and interpreting test results. They are also responsible for instrument operation and maintenance. Their job is also performing quality assurance and quality control. They also help in research development and also communicate with healthcare providers about patient management and treatment. The laboratory medicine profession consists of different career pathways, and this includes forensic scientist. Forensic scientists apply laboratory techniques to analyze evidence in legal cases, work in forensic laboratories to support criminal investigation. Immunologist. Immunologists conduct tests related to the immune system and may be involved in the diagnosis of autoimmune disorders, allergies, and infectious diseases. Cytotechnologist. Cytotechnologists examine cellular samples, particularly from pap smears, to detect abnormal cells indicative of cancer or other diseases, play a critical role in cancer screening and early detection. Histotechnologist. Histotechnologists prepare and analyze tissue samples for microscopic examination by pathologists, work in pathology laboratories assisting in the diagnosis of diseases based on tissue specimens. Molecular diagnostic specialist or scientist specialize in the analysis of DNA and RNA. Use techniques like polymerase chain reaction (PCR) to detect genetic markers, identify pathogens, and study genetic variation. Genetic counselor. A genetic counselor specializes in laboratory genetics, assisting individuals in understanding and interpreting genetic test results, provide genetic counseling services in collaboration with healthcare providers. Transfusion medicine specialist focus on ensuring the safety of blood products for transfusion, conduct blood typing, cross-matching, and other tests related to blood transfusion or blood-related diseases. Clinical biochemist or clinical biochemistry scientist. They are people who are specialized and focuses on the study of biochemical processes and substances within the human body and their correlation with diseases. Clinical microbiologist. This is the most commonly used term for a laboratory scientist who specializes in microbiology within the healthcare setting. Clinical microbiologists are involved in the identification and characterization of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites that may be present in clinical samples.